Subtraction can also be explained using a number line. By moving a certain amount of spaces to the left, we're going to move to the left for subtraction, we subtract from a higher number. So let's look at our example here. We are asked to subtract 9 minus 5 equals what number? So we need to subtract 5 from 9. So let's look at how we would do this using a number line. We have a line that stretches from 0 to 10 with a mark for each of our whole numbers. So to subtract 5 from 9, we start by finding the 9 on the number line. So here's my starting point, 9 on the number line. Now, to subtract 5, I am going to move to the left from 9. I'm going to move 5 spaces to the left. So count with me and let's see where this lands us. So starting at the 9, I am going to move to the left 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that lands me right here on the number 4. And so that is the answer to my subtraction problem. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Now there's one more thing that we can see from our answer. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Now we can also look at the distance between 9 and 5. And we can see that this distance between 9 and 5 is going to equal 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so we can see that we have 4 spaces between 9 and 5. Subtraction problems are also known as difference problems. When we subtract one number from another number, we find the difference between these two numbers. Remember, anytime you see a problem where you are taking away one number from another, it is a subtraction or a difference problem. So even in the example that we just did, we can see that we subtract 5 from 9 to get an answer of 4. And 4 then is the difference between 9 and 5, as we can see by the 4 spaces between our 9 and our 5. The difference between 9 and 5 is how we say this. Understanding how to subtract one-digit numbers is important, but to make more complex math a little bit easier, it will be helpful for you to memorize the difference between the one-digit numbers. The better you have your subtraction facts memorized, the quicker you will be able to recall the differences between one-digit numbers, and the easier it will be to subtract larger numbers and do more complex mathematical calculations.